The 50-30-20 rule is a popular budgeting method that's often recommended for people who want a simple, straightforward way to manage their money. It's designed to help anyone, regardless of income, get a handle on their finances without feeling overwhelmed by complicated spreadsheets or financial jargon. The idea is simple. 50% of your income goes toward needs like rent, groceries, and bills. 30% is set aside for wants, things that make life enjoyable but aren't essential, and the remaining 20% is dedicated to savings or paying off debt. This clear structure makes it easy to see where your money is going each month. It's simple, accessible, and helps people get their finances in order. For many, it's the first step toward building better money habits and gaining control over spending. But here's the catch. While this rule works well for most people, the wealthy rarely use it. Their approach to money is fundamentally different. For them, budgeting isn't about dividing a fixed pie, it's about growing the pie. Instead of focusing on how to split up what they have, they look for ways to increase their income and expand their opportunities. The 50-30-20 rule is defensive, focused on not losing money, not on winning or getting ahead. It's about protecting what you have, rather than multiplying it. Millionaires play offense. They invest aggressively, often saving and investing far more than just 20% of their income. They prioritize building assets and creating multiple streams of income. Their mindset is about multiplying money, not just managing it. They see every dollar as a tool to create more wealth, not just something to be carefully allocated. The 50-30-20 rule is a great starting point for most people, but it's not the path to real wealth. If you want to move beyond just getting by, you'll need to think bigger and adopt new strategies. In this video, we'll break down why this rule falls short for those aiming for financial freedom, and reveal the key habits and strategies that the wealthy use to build lasting wealth. Let's dive in and see what truly sets them apart. The 50-30-20 rule, made famous by Elizabeth Warren, is beloved for its simplicity. It gives clear guidelines, needs, wants, and savings. For people struggling to control spending, it's a lifesaver, easy to follow, no spreadsheets required. If your needs or wants creep too high, the rule signals it's time to adjust. Millions have used it to escape living paycheck to paycheck. It's like a balanced diet for your money, great for building basic financial health. But just as athletes outgrow the food pyramid, wealth builders outgrow this rule. The 50-30-20 rule is a solid starting line. But if you want to build real wealth, you'll need a more advanced strategy. Let's see why. The biggest flaw in how most people approach their finances, it's not just about spending too much or not saving enough. It's about the order in which we handle our money, and that order can make or break your financial future. The popular 50-30-20 rule puts investing last, almost as an afterthought, as if it's something you do only if there's anything left over at the end of the month. You pay your bills, you spend on your wants, and only then, if you're lucky, you invest whatever scraps remain. This approach makes investing feel optional, not essential. But here's the secret. The wealthy don't treat investing as a leftover. They flip the script entirely. They pay themselves first, making investing their top priority. Before they spend a single dollar on anything else, they invest, automatically, every single month without fail. It's built into their routine, not left to chance. This habit makes investing non-negotiable. It's not something they debate or delay. It's as fixed as paying rent or utilities. When you treat savings and investing as the last step, they're always the first to get raided when money's tight. Emergencies or temptations can wipe out your progress in an instant. The wealthy treat investing like a fixed bill, just as important as your mortgage or electricity. They build their lifestyle around what's left after investing, not the other way around. This mindset shift is crucial. By making investing automatic and consistent, you guarantee that you're always building wealth, harnessing the power of compound growth as early as possible. For the wealthy, investing 20% of their income isn't a lofty goal, it's the bare minimum. They aim higher, knowing that every extra dollar invested accelerates their journey to financial freedom. They constantly look for ways to increase their investments, whether it's through raises, side hustles, or cutting unnecessary expenses. Every bit counts toward building lasting wealth. The 50-30-20 rule just doesn't encourage this aggressive, growth-first approach. If you want to build real wealth, investing can't be an afterthought. It has to come first. The rule assumes your income is fixed. Just divide and allocate. But the wealthy don't accept a static paycheck. They focus on growing income, side hustles, investments, businesses. Instead of just cutting costs, they ask, how can I earn more? Every new income stream is fuel for more investing. The 50-30-20 rule doesn't inspire this mindset. It keeps you managing, not multiplying your money. True wealth comes from expanding your resources, not just budgeting what you have. That's a game changer. The rule can actually encourage lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, so does your wants budget, making it easy to spend more, not save more. The wealthy fight this. They keep lifestyle steady and invest raises. The 20% savings target can become a ceiling, not a floor. Many stop pushing once they hit it. The rich gamify savings, always asking, can I invest more? Real wealth is built by maximizing the gap between what you earn and what you spend. The 50-30-20 rule keeps you comfortable, but comfort rarely leads to fortune. To get ahead, you have to break out of that comfort zone. So what do the wealthy do instead? They flip the script, invest first, cover needs second, and spend on wants last. Automatic investing is their top priority before any bills or fun. Needs are managed smartly with frugality and intention. Wants come last, funded only with what's left. They avoid lifestyle inflation, funneling raises straight into investments. Their goal isn't to look rich, but to be rich by building assets. They relentlessly grow income, side hustles, businesses, investments. The more they earn, the more they invest, creating a snowball effect. This simple, repeatable playbook builds unstoppable momentum. That's how fortunes are made. Should you ditch the 50-30-20 rule? Not right away. In fact, this rule is a fantastic starting point for anyone looking to take control of their finances. It gives you a clear, simple structure to follow, making budgeting less overwhelming and more approachable, especially if you're just beginning your financial journey. It's a great tool for beginners, helping you get organized and build discipline. By dividing your income into needs, wants, and savings, you create healthy habits that set the stage for future success. It's like training wheels for your money. But don't stay there forever. As you grow more confident and your financial situation improves, it's time to think bigger and push beyond the basics. Once you've mastered the basics, challenge yourself. Can you save more than 20%? Can you find ways to increase your income or cut back on unnecessary expenses? These are the questions that move you from simply managing money to actively building wealth. Shift your mindset from just getting by to creating a future where your money works for you. Pay yourself first, automate your investing, and make saving a non-negotiable part of your routine. Focus on growing your income, whether that's through advancing your career, starting a side hustle, or investing in your skills. The more you earn, the more you can invest and accelerate your journey to financial independence. Every dollar you invest is like hiring an employee who works tirelessly for you day and night. The more you invest, the larger your financial team grows and the faster you move toward your goals. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll experience the freedom and peace of mind that comes with financial security. Remember, the 50-30-20 rule is a good servant but a poor master. Use it as a stepping stone, not a ceiling. Let it help you build a strong foundation, but don't let it limit your ambition or your potential. Aim higher, dream bigger, and keep pushing yourself to grow. Your financial journey is unique, and your goals should reflect your own vision of success. Real wealth comes from high savings rates, multiple income streams, and a relentless commitment to personal growth. Are you ready to level up and take your finances to the next stage? Share your strategy in the comments below. What steps are you taking to build wealth and break free from the basics? And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering your money and building the life you want.